Hey there, it's fall in Alaska, and one of the easiest ways to tell is that all of the fireweed are changing. So this is a fireweed plant. It's tall, it is lean, it's just got one stem that goes all the way up the plant and has each one of these leaves coming off of that main stem. Then when you get to the top, that's where it has its flowers. Now this is just a really small plant. It looks like it only ever had 2 buds right here, but normally a fireweed will have, a significant part of its stem length just be these flower buds. So you can see what the flower looks like. They're little, they're pink, they're really pretty, and then after the flower is done blooming, it closes up into this little bud right here. And then after this bud is finished, it actually forms the seed pod. And this is the seed pod that has already cracked open, and this fireweed plant is pretty well expired. And you can look and see all of the leaves are now sort of shriveled up and they've totally changed color. So this is a plant that is not quite as mature. It's a little bit behind most of the other fireweed plants this season. And then right next to it is one that's already blossomed, already put out all of its seed pods, and is changing forms. And this is also a fireweed right next to it. So you can see these leaves are multicolored, really beautiful. All the colors of fall in one leaf, and it's still a fireweed. So this is a fireweed, and so is this. So as you can see, the fireweed really changes its appearance based on the season. Those pretty flowers disappear, the leaves change color, they start to wrinkle up a bit, and I think it's in the fall that you really understand why fireweed is called fireweed, because it really, I want to show you a different plant now, it really almost does look like the whole plant has gone through a fire. And if you look at a field of fireweed in the distance, it's just beautiful because they're all colors of fire too. The burnt reds, the rusty yellows, all of those colors. So fireweed is one of the more common plants in Alaska. It really is a weed. It grows all over the place, but it's still just magnificent. And that's a piece of grass growing in the middle of it. But yeah, so that's how to identify a fireweed plant after the flowers have dropped off and it's fall in Alaska. You can't always look and just identify plants based on their flowers, because that changes so much season to season.